Sir, what are you doing? Hmm. Mm-hmm. What are we doing? What's going on? What are you doing? What's up? How are you? Oh, he's so cute. He's being very bratty this morning. I'm trying to work, but he's all over the place. Oh, Snaggy. Oh, Snaggy. Oh, Snaggy. Oh, Snaggy. Oh, Snaggy. Well, Snaggy. Ah, okay. Okay, biting? No. Mm-mm. No. No, thank you, sir. No, thank you. Ah! He's so gentle with no claws, which is good because he's got the talons. Ah. Sir, excuse me. Ah. Sir, excuse me. Hi. 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 Ah! Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Babe, I gotta get back to work. I hope you guys are having a great day. We'll talk to you later. Right, Ravi? Are we gonna talk to them later? Oh. See you later, guys.